Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how we can repair a corrupt BIOS. Like after troubleshooting on your PC or your laptop, how you want your laptop to display and you still don't have a display and you want to repair your corrupt BIOS. First of all, you have to go to your web browser, anyone you have on your laptop, go there and click. Then from there you can type on the model of your laptop, for example, HP 15 F315 BS 15 BS1 NE drivers. You go directly to the manufacturer website, open. There you just have to fill up this. If necessary, you submit. You wait for your drivers to pop out. Your drivers pop out. When you come to BIOS system drivers, you download. You wait. You come here. I will download it immediately. You wait for your download to take place. Here you see your download going. You open your setup, click yes, yes, accept, yes. You allow your installation to take place. You will have it here. Click next. You will see the three options: update your BIOS, the BIOS update, create a recovery USB. You take yes. To create a recovery USB flash drive, you click next. Here you will need the USB drive. You plug it on your laptop. You refresh. This is my own USB drive, the one I just plugged. You refresh here. You click on it. You click on it and you take next. You see here copying files. You wait for your files to copy. You see copying files. You wait for your files to copy. After it has been copied, you will see the recovery flash drive has been created successfully. You take finish. You cancel. Then you take your USB drive to the laptop you want to reset the BIOS, because most HP they are different. There are some HP that you need to press the B key down while you power on your laptop. You need to press the B key down. You will take your USB drive, you set it into your USB slot on your laptop. You want to reset the BIOS. Then you hold your B key down while you put your power on button until your backlight turns on. Then you move your hand from the B button for it to recover. While there are some you need to hold by the Windows and the B button down while you power on your laptop until your backlight turn on, then your BIOS has been reset. While there are some you need to hold by the Windows and the V key down for you to have your BIOS reset. Thank you. If you have any question or any doubt, you can ask on the comment section. We'll be there to always help you. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share. See you in the next video that will be learning how we can be able to clone our hard drive, like you want to clone your hard drive to SSD. We will learn that in our next video. Thank you.